Today, we're gonna do basic addition. You get 10 seconds to answer each round. What is 1 plus 2? Correct. It's actually 3. 3. What is 2 plus 2? The answer is actually 4, guys. Yes, it is. What is 5 plus 5? It is actually 10. What is 9 plus 2 or 2 plus 9? It's actually the number we'll call 11. 11A. A-E-H-A. What is 5 plus 2, guys? It's actually 7. What is 10 plus 1, guys? It is actually 11. What is 5 plus 3? It is actually 8. I don't know why I keep on saying it is actually instead of actually. Well, time to go to the end. Where does it? Oh, what is it? What is 10 plus 10? 10 plus 10 is basic, and it's actually 20. Because 10, 20, 30, 40, Morty. Well, there's 2 more. Let's click on the 2 more. What is 6 plus 4, guys? It's actually 10. Even though you saw it, 10. What is 5 plus 1? We are almost done. It's 6. So then,